In today's video, we are going to look at the remove duplicate functionality in Google Spreadsheet. Hence, let's say you copy paste information from another Google spreadsheet into the existing Google spreadsheet and you want to know if there are any duplicates. Instead of either going through the entire document or using formulas, what you can do is very much select the data range in which you want to see. From there, go to data and go all the way down to the remove duplicates. In here, you need to define if the data has a header row. If yes, it will automatically apply it. And then at the same time, you can select for which column you want to do the analysis, either for column A, B, or all of them. And from there, what you will do is you click on remove duplicates. And as we can see, it will give us a little update on what happened. So 3 duplicate rows found and removed, 22 unique rows remain. And at least from there, you can automatically remove duplicates. If you want to do it for a single column, you can also do that. So let's take the example of column A, where I select all of the data. I go into data, remove duplicates, again, perfectly. Data has a header row, remove duplicates, and it will tell me 16 duplicate rows found and removed, 5 unique rows remain, and I click on OK. And that's how you use the remove duplicate functionality from Google Spreadsheet. Thank you very much. Have a good day.